So of course we need younger people serving the government or even in politics. But not only berdasarkan dengan usia, and of course it has to be merit as well lah. Kelayakan dan yang ada potential.
Dalam konteks usia dan merit, Yang Ahmad Mohamad Menteri Besar Johor sendiri seorang yang generasi yang muda.
Very young.
If I can ask a naughty question, how do you rate his performance?
His performance.
Dato' Onn Hafiz.
Dato' Onn Hafiz. 7 or 8. 7. I give him a 7
7 out of 10.
out of 10.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Okay, then I bring it down to 6.
Ada dua gitu pula.
I bring it down to 6. Why? Because he's still young. Tetapi bagusnya dia buat kerja. Buat kerja. But then, like I said, walaupun kita ada macam-macam perancangan, I will also work very closely with him untuk execute certain matters dalam negeri yang saya rasa ada beberapa isu yang kita terlepas pandang.